Hi, so we have a new vacuum to show you. It's for your residential 2-storey domestic properties. It's a 35 litre drum and a 1300 watt motor. It will only be supplied with 51 mils Cyclonic. We all know the benefits of that. So you can see how small this vacuum is and how lightweight it is too. What I'm going to do is show you just quickly the airflow on this before we talk about our new poles. So let's grab the meter. Right, so we'll set this to 0 and we will have a look at the airflow on this one. Quite an impressive reading for a little 1300 watt back, a Cyclonic back. And the next thing I want to show you is our poles. Now these poles only go up to 25 feet. They are extremely lightweight, so let's weigh these. A 1.5 metre pole. See what these weigh for you. And we've had these especially made. I'm pressing the wrong button. Okay. The wind is just slightly breaking that. So lightweight, the wind's moving them. So there we go. Approximately 100 grams less per pole than our already lightweight gutter cleaning poles. And these are for your 2-storey properties, as I say, so only for your residentials. Let's put these together. These are so light in comparison. We're actually going to weigh these for you, so you can see how light these are. So that's 25 foot pole set, nice and light. So in the same way I did before, using the scales, we're going to weigh those. So. Okay, so using the same method that we did when I made the flagpole and the other gutter cleaning pole comparison, I used this bracket and put this in the middle of the pole section so that we could weigh it and you could see what the whole entire section was. Now this is a 25 foot pole set and you can see it's zeroed in, so let's weigh this one. The wind's moving me about a little bit. What we've got on the scales there,
3 kg.
3 kg for a 25 foot set. Fantastic. Love that. There's a lot of companies about that claim to be lightweight aerospace aluminium, and I think we've already showed when we made the flagpole comparison, not all your poles are lightweight. Obviously our aerospace aluminium poles are, and these are incredibly lightweight.